Hi everyone, welcome back to our simple invoice project. In this video we're going to learn how to install Vue.js, vue-router and Vue dependencies. So the starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in description down below. So we're going now on our VS Code terminal. The first thing I want to do is to run npm install, which will install all the package JSON content. Alright, our package JSON content is installed. Let's now continue by clear this out and run npm install vue-road. Next, vue, next, vue-root, next. Alright, let's now create this out and install npm install vue.js plugin.vue --force --save -dev. Alright, the plugin view is installed. We'll now clear this out and run npm run dev. Let's now go in our invoice project on vite.config.js and import vue from vite.js vue plugin and add vue here. Okay, alright. Now we finish to configure Vue.js in our Vite file config, and let's now go on resource in JS and create our first Vue.js component. Let's begin by create a new folder called component. In component folder we'll add app.vue, and in app.vue file we will add template, okay, h1, hello, this is my first Vue.js free component. Let's now go in app.js and import create app from Vue, import app from ./component/vue.app, create app mount app. Alright, let's now go on Vue on welcome blade PHP file and select the content of this welcome blade, remove it, and just add a div which will get id app. This id app will come from our app Vue.js file. Let's now remove our default style and add our style by using vite resource /css /app css. Let's add js by using vite resource /gs /app.js. All right. Now you can see in our browser, our component is mounted. Okay. All right. Let's now go in our VS Code on resource in GS on component and create a new folder called invoice. And in invoice, we're going to create a new file called index.vue. All right. And in index.vue, let's add template h1 index invoice app component. All right. Let's now create a new Vue.js file on our component called notfound.vue and add template page not found. Okay. After that, let's now create the vue root. First, we are going to create a folder called router. In router, we are going to add a file called index.js. All right. In that root index.js, we will add import create router create web history from view.root, create a new const called router, create router, history, create web history. All right, let's export the default router. Let's now import invoice index from /component /invoice /index.vue, import not found from .component /not found.vue. Okay, let's now create a new const root array. All right, let's add path / component invoice index path / path match. component, not found. All right. Let's now this const roots in our router const. All right. Let's go on roots in web.php and add root get path match function return view welcome. Where path match. All right. This route will help us to return not found page in our Laravel. So right now go on root in index.js and just change here. It will be component. All right. After that, let's go in our app.view and remove this line and add router view. All right. Let's go in app.js and import router from /router/index.js. Okay. Let's now add use router. All right. And let's go now in our browser and you can see our index invoice page component. All right. We can add whatever in the as URL and you can see the page not found is called. All right. Let's just add in our not found page. Router link, which will help us to go back to our index page. Okay, back to home page. All right, to slash. All right, this link will help us to return to our home page. Okay, now our vue-router work well. So that is all about install Vue.js and view routes of this simple invoice application. Thank you for watching. And if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.